In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend data sources in Zoho Analytics. When your business data lives in different apps, it's hard to see the full story. Data blending in Zoho Analytics connects related information from multiple sources so you can analyze it together in unified reports and dashboards. Think of it as a bridge between tables that share a common identifier, like a customer ID or email, so metrics from sales, support, and finance appear side by side. For instance, blend opportunities from your CRM, tickets from your help desk, and invoices from your finance system to view customer value, complaints, and payments in one place. The simplest way to blend is to let Zoho do it for you. Import your data sets into the same workspace, and Zoho Analytics will try to detect relationships automatically. When it finds matching columns, it creates lookup links between tables, often called auto-joins. Once those lookups exist, you can drag fields from both tables into a single chart or pivot, and the platform fetches the related values behind the scenes. This also works when sources are different, as long as they live inside the same workspace. If nothing links on its own, create the relationship manually. Open one of the tables, locate a column that uniquely identifies records across tables, and right-click it. Choose Change to Lookup column, select the related table, confirm the matching key, and save. The tables are now connected for reporting. Tip: ensure the key fields share the same data type and consistent values, and watch for small differences, like extra spaces, that can prevent matches. For advanced control, build a query table. Click New, then New Query Table, and write a SQL-style select that joins the tables you need. Use inner joins for exact matches, left joins to keep all records from a primary table, and add filters, calculated fields, or aggregations in the query. When you save it, the result becomes its own table for charts, pivots, and dashboards. This shines when you need to combine more than two tables, pre-filter before blending, or summarize as part of the blend. Whichever path you choose, automatic lookups, manual lookups, or a query table, the goal is the same: align on a common key, relate the data, and unlock cross-functional insights in a single, trustworthy view.